How to calculate expected profits on ByBit before you engage on trading. This is very simple, guys. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to be sure that you have an account with ByBit verified and add some USDT to your account. Now to do so, it's very simple, guys. Go to the trade button. Now we are taking a look at future trading. Tap on it, then tap on this three dot here, then tap on calculator. But before you tap on calculator, make sure that you selected the trading pair you want to use. So for the sake of this video, let's go and select any trade that I want to use on this platform. So let's take a look at a popular crypto. Let's take a look at this one, Solana UXDT. Now here is the Solana USDT, and you've taken your analysis and you want to calculate your expected earning before you go into the market. Now the first thing you have to take note is your trading leverages, which is very paramount. So you have to know your trading leverages. Then after that, you need to know your entry price and the price you want to exceed the market. This will give you a clue of what you're going to earn on this process. So go ahead and tap on the three dots here. Tap on calculator. Now that I've tapped on calculator, we are using the P and L strategy. Now the first thing we have to do is to enter the leverages here. We are going for 10 leverages. Then our entry price, we're going to enter our entry price here, which is 197.320. Then our closing price is 194.0508. Then and our quality of so we are going for, let's say we are going for 100. Then tap on done. So we've entered all this. Now we want to calculate our expected earning. So don't forget, you have to select between long and short. So our calculation is on short. Tap on calculate. Once tap on calculate, it comes out like this, guys. Now our initial margin is going to be 1000 this, and our expected profit is going to be around 324 USDT. So if we follow this parameter enter here, our expected earning is going to be this, and it's going to be around 16.42%. Then if we take a look at target price, so we want to use target price now to calculate our benefit. Don't forget, we are taking a look at short. Tap on short. Then we want to enter the market at 197.320. Then we are taking a look at 100 of so, that's 100 quality of so. Then we are targeting what price? So we are targeting certain percent. We are targeting 12. Let's target 15%. If you can do that 15%, let's see it. Then tap on calculate. Now here our target price now is going to be 194.36 USDT. So that is the closing price we'll be targeting, and our commission that was expected earning is going to be 295.9 USDT. Do you understand? So your closing price now should be 194 USDT. And if you think that you can do, let's say you can do 25% of what you do, just put 25% here, then tap on calculate again. You can say that your target price will be 192.38 USDT, and your percentage is 2.5%, and you're going to get around 493.3 USDT if it goes according to your calculation. Then now you know how to calculate your expected profit using the price and P and Q. It's now left for you guys to go and trade. In case you want to learn how to trade properly on SuperX, I've made a guided video that will guide you on how to trade. The link to that video is in the video description, guys. Go and watch that video so that you'll be able to know how to trade future trading on ByBit. So if you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. See you soon, guys, on our next video.